Let's look into the topic mensuration of class 8, exercise 11.2. So before that, we'll just look into some of the formulae. Number 1, the area of a trapezium is equal to half into sum of the parallel sides into height. That is, if you have a trapezium like this, if this is side A, side B, and this is H, so it is half into A plus B into H. Number 2, area of a rhombus. Suppose we have a rhombus like this, A, B, C, D. This is the these are the diagonals. This is diagonal D1 and this is diagonal D2. So area of the rhombus will be half into D1 into D2, where D1 comma D2 are the diagonals. Number 3, area of the quadrilateral. So we'll have a quadrilateral. This is the diagonal. This is 90 degree. We'll have it as A, B, C, D. This is diagonal D. This is H1 height. This is another length perpendicular H2. The area of the quadrilateral A, B, C, D will be 1 by 2 D, diagonal, the length of the diagonal into H1 plus H2, where D is the length of the diagonal AC. Moving on to the exercise 11.2. Problem number 1. The shape of the top surface of a table is a trapezium. Find its area if its parallel sides are 1 meter and 1.2 meters and perpendicular distance between them is 0.8 meters. So here the area of the top surface of the table is half into H into A plus B from the formula, which is equal to 1 by 2 into height is given to be 0.8. In the sides 1.2 plus 1 meter, which is equal to 0.88 meter square. Problem number 2. The area of a trapezium is 34 centimeter square and the length of one of the parallel sides is 10 centimeter and its height is 4 centimeter. Find the length of another parallel side. Here the area is given as 34 centimeter square, height is 4 centimeters, length is 10 centimeter. Area of trapezium is half into H into A plus B. Area is 34, half into 4 into 10 plus B, or 10 plus B is equal to 34 by 2. 10 plus B is equal to 17. B equal to 17 minus 10, or B is equal to 7 centimeter. Hence the length of another Parallel side is 7 centimeters. Question number 3. Length of the fence of a trapezium shaped field ABCD is 120 meters. If BC is 48 meters, CD is 17 meters and AD is 40 meters, find the area of this field. Side AB is perpendicular to the parallel sides AD and BC. And this is the diagram ABCD. This is 40 meters, 48 meters, 17 meters. The length is 120 meter. BC is 48 centimeters. BC will be 48 meters. CD is 17 meters. AD is 40 meters. The area is asked. So fence of the trapezium shaped field ABCD is 120. AB plus BC plus CD plus DA is equal to 120, or AB plus 48 plus 17 plus 40, the values, they substitute the values. AB plus 105 is equal to 120. AB equal to 120 minus 105. AB is equal to 15 meters. Therefore, the area of the field is BC plus AD into AB by 2. This is the formula. 48 plus 40, substituting the values, into 15 by 2. It comes to 660 meters square. Problem number 4. The diagonal of a quadrilateral shaped field is 24 meters and the perpendiculars dropped on it from the remaining opposite vertices are 8 meters and 13 meters. Find the area of the field. Given this is the diagonal 24 meter. The height is 13 meters. This is 8 meters. So here the diagonal is 24 meter. Perpendicular is 8 meters and 13 meters respectively. The area of the field will be 24 into 8 plus 13 by 2, which is equal to 24 into 21 by 2, 12 into 21, which comes to 252 meters square. Question number 5. The diagonals of a rhombus are 7.5 centimeters and 12 centimeters. Find its area. This is 7.5 centimeter and this is 12 centimeters. The area of the rhombus is half into the product of the diagonals, which is equal to half into 7.5 into 12, which is equal to 45 centimeters square. Problem number 6. Find the area of a rhombus whose side is 6 cm and whose altitude is 4 cm. If one of its diagonals is 8 cm long, find the length of the other diagonal. This is 6 centimeter, 6 centimeter, 6 centimeter and 6 centimeter. This is perpendicular, this height is 4 centimeters. So yes, side is 6 centimeter, height is 4 centimeter. D1 is 8 centimeter, find D2. Area of rhombus is half into D1 into D2. 24 it is given, half into 8 into D2. D2 is 24 into 2 by 8, which is equal to 6 centimeter. Hence, the length of the other diagonal is 6 centimeters. Problem 7. The floor of a building consists of 3000 tiles which are rhombus shaped and each of its diagonals are 45 centimeter and 30 centimeters in length. Find the total cost of polishing the floor if the cost per meter square is rupees 4. So diagonal D1 is 45, D2 is 30 centimeters. Area of the tile is half into D1 into D2 or half into 45 into 30, which is equal to 675 centimeters square. Therefore, area of the floor is 675 into 3000 centimeter square, which is 2025000 centimeter square, or converting into meters divided by 100 into 100 meter square. Which is equal to 202.50 meters square. The cost, to find the cost. So the cost of polishing per meter square is rupees 4. Therefore, total cost of polishing the floor is 202.50 into 4, which comes to rupees 810. Question number 8. Mohan wants to buy a trapezium shaped field. Its side along the river is parallel to and twice the side along the road. If the area of the field is 10,500 meters square and the perpendicular distance between the two parallel sides is 100 meters, find the length of the side along the river. Now this is the river, this is the road, and this distance is 100 meter, and this is the trapezium. Let the length of the side along the river, this length of the side along the river be 2x meters. Then the length of the side along the road is x meters. If this is 2x, this will be x. So the area of the field is 10,500 meters square. 2x plus x substituting into 100 by 2 is 10,500, or 150x is equal to 10,500. X is 10,500 by 150, which is equal to 70. So 2x will be equal to 2 into 70, which is equal to 140 meters. Hence, the length of the side along the river is 140 meters. Next problem. Problem number 9. This distance is given to be 11 meters in the diagram. This is 4 meters and this distance is 5 meters. Question is, the top surface of a raised platform is in the shape of a rectangular octagon shown in the figure. Find the area of the octagonal surface. So area of the octagonal surface equal to area of rectangular portion, that is the center one, plus 2 times, that is this will be a trapezium and the top portion this will be another trapezium. So 2 times the area of trapezoidal portion, which is equal to 11 into 5, that is 11 is length, 5 is breadth, plus 2 times of trapezium. So 5 plus 11, add the sides, multiply by the height by 2 meter square. 55 plus 64 is equal to 119 meter square. Problem number 10. There is a pentagonal shaped park as shown in the figure. For finding its area, Jyoti and Kavita divided into 2 different ways. Find the area of the park using both ways. Can you suggest some other way of finding its area? Now, the diagram is given, 3 diagrams. Now this is measuring 15 meters and this measuring 13 meters. The value of this is same. Now one way of dividing is this one, this being the right angles. Then this is Jyoti's. The other way of dividing will be like this. This is Kavita's way of division. Now Jyoti's diagram, according to Jyoti's diagram, area of the park is 2 into 15 in plus 30 by 2 into 15 by 2, which is 675 by 2, which is equal to 337.5 meter square. According to Kavita's diagram, area of the park is equal to 15 into 15 meter square plus 15 into 30 minus 15 by 2 meter square. We'll just splitting and writing. So 225 plus 225 by 2 meter square. Just nothing but 225 plus 112.5 meter square, which is equal to 337.5 meter square. Now the other way of dividing the park will be this way. This is the area of the park is 15 into 30 minus 15 by 2, which is equal to 2 into 15 into 15 by 2, which is equal to 337.5 meter square. So we have found the three answers to be the same. Question number 11. Diagram of the adjacent picture frame has outer dimensions 24 by 28 centimeters and inner dimensions 16 by 20 centimeter. Find the area of each section of the frame if the width of each section is the same. So in this diagram, this is 28 centimeters. This is 24 centimeters. This is 20 centimeters. This is 16 centimeters. So area of the right section of the frame is 28, the outer one, plus 20 plus half into 24 minus 16, the whole divided by 2, which comes to 48 into 4 by 2, which is equal to 96 centimeters square.